to Rhonda Said. It's been a minute, but that's okay. I'm only coming around when I got something big to show you guys. And today I have a big ass Ipsy box that's got my Ipsy icon box, an add-on, and a beauty boost. So hello, welcome to the channel, welcome to the chat. I am Rhonda Carey Roar. I do videos occasionally now. I used to do them all the time, but yeah, don't want to show you my address, but look how big this box is. It's enormous. I've never gotten an Ipsy box this big. And I'm just throwing paper to the ground. Here we have, oh, this is part of my box, my Ipsy box. This is the Maison Louis Marie number 13 Nouvelle Vague. And it's a perfume. And its top notes are, I'm going to put my glasses on. Little glasses. And my box and everything is worth over $450. That's what I get for trying to balance. Anyway, so this is, top is Muguet, coconut waters, lemon. Mid is Tuscan fig, tonka, and agave. And base is vetiver, amber, and santal. And I love all of those scents. So let's get in here. Oh, it's taped. It's sealed for my protection on both sides. And I collect perfumes. Do I need to? No. But this is a very nice size perfume. And the bottle is gorgeous. It's very simple, elegant. And I love the number 13. And I have another one of these perfumes. Let's see, it's got a roller. Oh. It's not a heavy scent at all. I don't know how much this is exactly, but it is not inexpensive. It is a very nice, fancy perfume. And this packaging is delightful. Maison Louis Marie Eau Parfumée. I took a little French in high school, but that's very cool. And let me get in here. This is huge and full of stuff. Let me make sure I didn't miss anything. Nope. It's just a big old box. And so here is my icon box. I'm really excited to get it. I've been skipping icon for a while. But when I saw it was Gwen Stefani, I was like, oh, hell yeah. I'm getting this one because you know it's going to be fire. And here we go. I'm not going to drop everything. And then it's got a little paper. I'll remove this perfume, but that perfume is part of my box. I'm going to set it right here. There's so much in here. Let's see what the paper tells us. I wonder if it's got some prices. Yeah, it does have some prices. Let's see, does it have my perfume in here? No, but it's got some other stuff. But I know that my box is worth $450. This is my beauty boost, and this is a Kate Somerville Hydrocate recharging serum, and this is probably like $60. I'm not going to open it because I don't need to, but very nice. Super nice brand. The first thing I'm going to pull out here is the Ren Clean Skincare Glycolic Lactic Radiance Renewal Mask with AHA. Clean skin to clean planet. Bright and smooth. And this is fantastic. The price in here, I did see that. Oh, the perfume is $65. I knew it was a good deal. And the REN, where are you, REN? I see you. REN Clean Skincare, $58. $58. And then I've got a Give liquid lipstick, which I'm very excited about. Original recipe. It's a beautiful red. And it says shake well before applying. Remove applicator slowly before first use. So we're going to shake it up. This is $26 for the liquid lip. And peel that sticker off. Trying to go slow. Oh, that's really pretty. That's a really pretty color. I already have lipstick on, but we're gonna let that dry. And that's really beautiful. That's great. I'm loving it. So that's $26. And then we've got First Aid Beauty 10% vitamin C brightening serum. And let's see. This is probably about $25, $30. It's full size. And First Aid Beauty is great quality at an affordable price. Then we have from MAC, we have the Lash Dry Shampoo Mascara Refresher. And it says, hit refresh on your mascara. Apply overset mascara to revive your lashes. No makeup remover needed. So, 91% said lashes looked revived and more amplified. So this is going to be interesting to check out because I don't often wear makeup like, you know, for like 8 hours or anything. So I will check it out. How to apply. Apply over dried and set mascara. The lash teaser brush combs through the lashes without tugging. Interesting. Let's see if there's a price on this. Oh, the liquid lipstick is $24. And then it's not telling me about the mascara. I don't think it is telling me about the mascara, but that's okay. All right, just checking it out. Then we have the Dominique neutral palette here, and this is $49 palette. And Dominique is a well-loved brand. I just got my nails done, so I don't want to tear them up. There we go. It says beauty inside and out. It's very heavy, weighty packaging. It says the Essential Palette. And it is a beautiful neutral palette with lots of shimmers and mattes. So that's nice. Do I need it? No, because I have all the mattes and shimmers and neutrals that I need. Then we have from Give, we have a gel pencil in, oh, it's a blue color. I know who wants this. It's Bathwater. And this is a $20 pencil. Look at that blue. I was hoping it was black, but look at that. That is bright. That is super nice. I have a friend who will love that. She will dig that. Then I have the Danessa Myricks Beauty Yummy Skin Glow Serum Hydrating Primer Face Serum. I love Danessa Myricks. I love face primers. So I'm excited about this. And this is in the shade Main Squeeze. Ooh, it's beautiful packaging. And it looks like the Danessa Myricks is $34. There it is. Just a little tiny squeeze. I'm gonna rub it in. That looks nice and glowy. Feels silky. It's got a nice little scent to it, which I like a little fragrance in some of my products. And there's glycerin, squalene niacinamide, all kinds of good stuff in here. A skin-loving, hydrating, radiant, priming serum with antioxidant boosting ingredients. Clinically shown to immediately increase hydration by 108%. Very nice. We like it. We love it. We want some more of it. Then we have for $50, $49, Beautiful Skin from Charlotte Tilbury Foundation. I'm really excited about this. I love Charlotte Tilbury. I love foundation. And this is in 2 neutral. Which should work for me because I like a neutral fair color. It's nice tubey tube. And this says, that's in French, this is a medium coverage, light as air foundation infused with hydrating hyaluronic acid, brightening rose complex. Skin looks more beautiful instantly and over time for a healthy looking glow and brighter and smoother looking complexion. And boost hydration up to 166%. So if I use this with the Danessa Myricks thing, that's like over 270 something percent hydration. Does anyone need that much hydration? Skin tone looks more even up to 210%. Minimizes pores, reduces appearances of pigmentation and dark spots. Skin appears instantly brighter. Nice. Let's take a peek-a-loo. It's got a nice little pump. I'll just put on that primer. Just a little tiny bit. Oh, it looks yellow. Oh. That looks yellow. That is not gonna work. That can go on Macari. Oh my goodness. And it's more, it looks more than a medium coverage. Oh, and this lipstick is staying pretty well. That's nice. It's got some lasting power. So this is Gum on Macari. Since it's just a little swatch to see the color. It did not work, which I'm sad about. And then last but not least, my add-on that I got. I am so happy to have this. This is the retro palette from Natasha Denona, which is the brand that I'm all about right now. And I think I bought it but returned it. So I was able to get this for $25 from the add-on shop. And they had it in the add-on shop like a month or two ago, and I didn't get it, and I was mad at myself. It's the most perfect, beautiful colors for my hair. I just love it. I can't wait to do some looks with it. It is gorgeous. So, but you can't beat a $65 palette for $25. It's so gorgeous. So this is well over $450 worth of stuff. What a haul. So Beauty Boost and add-on. Then we've got the perfume, the primer, the foundation, the palette, the eyeliner, the mascara refresher, the liquid lipstick, serum. It's quite a box. Quite a box. Louie, stop getting in that box. So this is great, and it's about $70 to get the Icon box. I got way more than I bargained for. It's like $15.99 to get this, and so for I guess $25, $70, for about $110, I got over $450 worth of stuff. You cannot beat that with a stick. So I want to thank you so much for being with me here today and unboxing my Icon box and my add-ons and my Beauty Boost. I hope you have a great day or day of your choice, and we'll see you real soon.